Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'll be trying out one of the cheapest beauty blenders in the market, that is the Boddess beauty blenders. So if you wanna know if these beauty blenders are worth your buck, then please keep on watching. Let's first talk about its packaging. It comes in a basic cardboard plastic packaging like so. The first one is pink in color that has a flat edge. It reminds me a lot of the Real Techniques makeup sponge. It is really soft and squishy when I press it. The next one is green in color and has a classic teardrop shape like most of the beauty blenders in the market. It is also very soft in touch and is very porous. Upon dampening them, they do double up in size and the edge does become really fat, which can make it difficult to reach small areas like around the eyes or nose. The pair retails for rupees 238, that is only rupees 119 per beauty blender, which is very affordable. It is only available online on Boddess website. Moving on, I'll be showing you guys a demo of these two with my base products. For color corrector, I'm going with the Miss Clear color corrector in the shade orange. To blend it, I'm using its green variant. And as you can see, it is blending away my concealer beautifully, but it has absorbed some product. For foundation, I'm using the PAC HD liquid foundation in the shade 3.9, and to blend it away, I'm using the flat edge of the pink variant. It does feel very soft against my skin. When it comes to application, I don't have to work hard a lot. It's blending my foundation flawlessly. And again, when you look at its edge, it has absorbed a lot of product. For concealer, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shades Dark Nude and Peach Sand. To blend it, I'm using the teardrop side of the pink variant on my left side and its green variant on the other side. And as you can see, I am struggling with the green variant around my eyes more because of how fat its tip is. However, the pink one was slightly slimmer, so that one was easier to use in the hard to reach areas. And to set my concealer, I'm using the new Masterfix setting loose powder. I'm using the pink variant to pick up the product. It did set my concealer beautifully without absorbing a lot of product here. To contour my face, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I used the green variant to blend the concealer. And again, because of how fat it is, I did struggle with blending it in smaller areas. Like it did get difficult to blend around the edges of my forehead and my chin. To clean up underneath my cheekbones, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude, and to blend it away, I'm using the green variant. For blush, I'm using the Sugar Blush Stick in the shade Mauve Marble, and I'm blending it away with the pink variant of the Boddess Beauty Blender. And as you can see, it is giving me a very flawless finish. For highlighter, I'm using this bronze gold shade from the Natasha Denona Biba eyeshadow palette on the top of my cheekbones and the bridge and tip of my nose. And to set and seal everything in place, I'm using a setting spray. This one is Makeup Fix by Color Essence. And I'm bouncing the pink variant on my face to pick up any excess. Coming to cleaning of these sponges, I used a mild shampoo. However, it was black in color, so it did leave some stains on the pink beauty blender. However, if you use a clear shampoo, I don't think you're going to run into this problem. As for the green beauty blender, it did get rid of most of the product, but it still had some stains of the contour concealer. I know it looks a little disfigured at the moment, but it retained back its shape after drying down. However, I did see some small tear on it, which gives me the impression that they are pretty fragile and will wear and tear a lot in future. And here is the finished look. I'm pretty happy with the finish that these beauty blenders gave me. They worked great with my powder, cream and liquid products. It didn't absorb a lot of product even after being so porous. Plus they are supremely cheap. Coming to the cons, I felt that the size of these teardrop was too fat, especially of the green variant, so it will give you a hard time if you want precise application or if you are working in smaller spaces. Also, they are not very easy to clean. Like, I could see some stains of the makeup left behind, and also these are pretty fragile, so they will wear and tear very easily. To sum up, I would say it is an okay product. I'm not completely wowed by it because there are beauty blenders in the market with a similar price point that do better. So if you happen to learn something from this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to these beauty blenders and my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.